participation in the last PBB Collab. Can you share with us yung mga secrets mo, beauty secrets? Kasi here in the Philippines, madami tayong mga dilemmas in terms of beauty na kapag nagpapuyat or masyadong napapagod, nagkakaroon tayo ng breakouts and pumapangit yung skin natin. But in your case, it's different. So, can you share us your skincare routine?
Ako naman, honestly, grabe talaga akong mag-breakout. That's why sobrang sipag ako sa skincare. Sipag ako mag-wash ng face, facial wash, din ng double cleanse. I wash my face like 3 beses. Like 3 times ako mag-facial wash in one go. And then, ayun, skincare lang talaga. Sobrang sipag. For my skincare routine, toner, serum, moisturizer, that's it. Just the simple steps lang talaga. And of course, yung lotion. So, ayun, like, parang, since I'm not getting enough sleep, I'm not having that much rest, tuloy-tuloy yung work, every day almost naka-glam ako. So, importante talaga yung skincare sa akin. So, I think that's one thing na yung beauty secret ko na not really a secret kasi skincare lang talaga, sipag lang talaga ako dun.
Thank you, AZ. And for Miss Gracie, ma'am, ano yung nag-push sa inyo na to continue this kind of beauty product po? May bago pa kayong brand na nil-launch?
Regarding SCD, we continue this to endorse to our co-Filipino because our product is so high quality, but of course it's very affordable and very easy to use. And we are, continuous launching some product like lotion, soap, any skincare because we want to give Filipino or other customers more the product that they can choose, like serum, and of course this is our peeling lotion is our superhero product because you can see in 2 to 3 days the result, and for 1 week you can see the best result of your skin, and then you can have your confidence and your hope because if you see your skin beautiful, look in the mirror and you will be confident and you can go, you feel happy, and then you can have continues to inspire more, and also this one can be your extra income. That's it.
All right, thank you so much. Anyone else or do you want to ask a question?
Hi, Ma'am Gracie.
Sir, we'll give you the mic, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, Ma'am Gracie.
Good morning po.
Why po si AC sa dami ng artista? Although deserve naman kasi ang ganda ng quotes just like me, di ba? Pero ibig sabihin po, nakatulong din po ba yung pagiging sikat yan nung napasok siya sa PBB Collab? Kaya po, naisipan yung siya yung kunin.
Yes po, bukod sa napakaganda at napakakinis, sobrang yung very charming and napaka-confident sa sarili and yung being authenticity niya. At syempre, dahil sikat na sikat siya ngayon, kaya mas nakakatulong ito sa SCD company. Thank you.
Paano po yung pagpopromote na gagawin ni AC? Magkakaroon siya ng billboard o ng commercials? May ganun po ba?
Yes po, we're going to have a billboard and other materials para po ma-endorse po namin at makilala ang SCD at with Miss AC Martinez.
Thank you, ma'am. Kay AC naman. AC, sinong unang-unang bibigyan mo ng product ng SCD? Si Ralph o si River? Sinong mas mahal mo sa dalawa? Charos.
Oh my God. Hala. Pwede both po. Both na lang po. So, why not both na lang? Give it all to them, no? Pero, ayun po. Both.
Diyos ko, safe na safe. Ako na lang bigyan mo unang-una.
Okay. ikaw na lang po, bigyan ko ng una po.
Sige, thank you and congratulations. Ang ganda mong bata. Siguro, with or without makeup, ang ganda mo rin, no?
Thank you
Kaya
po.
napili ka ni Ma'am Gracie. Ma'am Gracie, dagdagan niya akong products, Charles.
Thank you.
All right. Yes, hello. Good afternoon. My first question is for Miss Gracie. Miss Gracie, since nasa peak ngayon ang mga housemates ng PBB, gaano naging kadali ang proseso nyo para makuha sa Sparkle si AZ maging endorser? Ayun pa, since sa AC po, tulad ng iba nanggaling sa bahay ni Kuya ay sikat na sikat ngayon, gaano po naging madali sa inyo ang proseso para makuha si AC from Sparkle na maging endorser ninyo?
Oh my God, sobrang dami kasing we battled. Sobrang may kinulit kami. Hi, Sir Carlo. We use our power to get Miss AC Martinez because we love her. We want her in our company. That's why we tried our best to get her through Star Card. Habang nasa loob pa si Miss AC, talagang kinukulit na namin si Sir. Kaya luckily we won at we get her. Napakaganda at napaka-charming. That's why she can help our company. Thank you.
Ayun, thank you po, Miss Gracie. And my next questions are for AC, of course. AC, una kong tanong is, how do you deal now with your popularity na, let's face it, sobrang sikat ka tulad ng iba mong kasamaan sa bahay ni Kuya. How do you deal with it? The instant popularity?
Ako, honestly, sobrang overwhelmed pa rin ako with the popularity, the attention that I'm getting. Sobrang na-amaze pa rin ako that there are fans, that there are people supporting yung efforts na nagagawa nila. Like, I have LED, yung billboard. Yesterday, they had one for both Ralph and I. So, nagugulat ako sa mga ganun. Pero of course, sobrang grateful ako. But I always put in mind na stay grounded, always remember my core, kung bakit ako nandito, kung bakit ako napunta dito. Not forgetting kung paano ako napunta dito and yung mga tao na nakasama ko pumunta dito. So, ayun po, always remembering kung saan ako nanggaling. Yun po.
And then, AC, sa bahay ni Kuya, pwede kang magbigay ng isang moment na hindi mo makakalimutan at bakit?
Yung never ko po talaga makakalimutan from journey ko sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, yung nanalo kami ni River sa Big Jump Challenge. Kasi yun po yung pinakamahirap na challenge for me, for both of us. Kasi endurance yun eh. We were standing with blocks in between us for 7 hours. Umulan man or sobrang araw man, mainit. Nandun kami nakatayo and parang yun yung time na gustong-gusto na talaga namin. We were really fighting for it kasi para yun mapabilang sa Big Four eh. And pangarap po talaga namin ni River na makasali sa Big Four. Kaya yun yung something na hindi ko po talaga makakalimutan kasi once na na-announce ni Kuya na congratulations, parte na kayo ng Big Four. Sobrang, oh my God, na parang na yung puso ko, gusto ko umiyak. Ganun po.
Ayun. And for my last question, AZ, ang daming nagagandahan sa'yo. Lahat kami dito ganda-ganda sa'yo. Pero syempre, ikaw din, may nagagandahan kang celebrities. Kaninong celebrity ka nagagandahan na gusto mong ma-meet in person? At anong sasabihin mo sa kanya?
Actually, na-meet ko na po siya in person. Si Miss Ann Curtis po. Sobrang ganda po talaga ako sa kanya. I met her first time sa premiere niya nung It's Okay Not to Be Okay. So, sobrang gandang-ganda talaga ako sa kanya as in. And I'm so happy I met her. I told her I was a fan. So, ayun po. Nag-fangirl din po ako.
Ayun. Thank you and congratulations, AZ and Miss Gracie.
Thank you so much for that question.